In this video, we are going to see how to create a distribution list for a list of email addresses. So these are list of email addresses. For this, we want to create a semicolon delimited distribution list. So for this, create a use this function text join, and here for delimiter, you have to specify this delimiter in double quotes. I want to separate every email address using this semicolon, and here I want to ignore these empty cells. So click on this true. Then you have to select the range of cells using which we want to create a distribution list. So see, now our list has been created. Next we are going to see how we can break this distribution list into different names. So for this, here we have to use text split. So this is the text which you want to split, and the delimiter is semicolon. That is a separating character which is separating each email address. It has to be in double quotes. Now you see the names are coming as they are spread horizontally. So in order to make this as to show as vertically, we can use transpose feature or transpose function. So you see here that all the elements have been split using this text split function. Thanks for watching the video. Hope it was informative.